Guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional, well, not in today's newspaper on, apologies, on Monday, January the 21st, 2023. I've told you in today's newspaper we have no additional, no extra puzzles, no. Those extra puzzles are in the additional of the weekend edition. Yes, Saturday, January the 21st, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle in this additional. It's the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. Those are the Two Stars Sudoku and the Tectonic with 1 star. And in the puzzle page we have also two puzzles. The Sudoku with 4 stars. Well, actually, I think it's a 1 star because we have here 27 printed digits. And we have one binary. 10 by 10. Yes. Alright. Let me continue with the Two Stars Sudoku number. This will be number 5839. 5839. Yeah. 5839. Where's my red pencil? Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for Two Stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, 15 to 20 minutes I need for solving a Two Stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. 168, 168, 168, 168. And look, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So the 6 and the 8 are left. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then the following. Yeah. We have a 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in the row below, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. And now. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright, 6, 6. 6, 6, okay. How about a 4 in this row? 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 9, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in this box. We have a 9 in this column. So no 9 in that box. The same box. So the 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Okay. Alright. Then 3, 3, 7, 3, 7. And 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, and look with 3 and a 4 in the first row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and one digit left in this column for number 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 9. Alright. 9. Okay. Alright. Then 4, 1, 6. Okay. 7. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. There 1 in that column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Alright, 2. 8. Come on. 9. I'm thinking. The 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 6 there. So we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column. Third column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay, the 1 in this row, the 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. There 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. Alright. Then. 3 and 4. Alright. Okay. 7. How about the number 2, 2? Two missing numbers in this column. Four numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. 8, 9, and 4. How about 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in the first column, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there, so 1 digit left in the second row for number 3. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 and 4 in this column, well, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3. Wait. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, first row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. Wait. Then. Let me see. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers in the third column are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for number: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Wait. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and the 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 8 and the 9. Interesting. Well. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Well, now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. 14 minutes. Exactly 50 minutes now. So, 2 stars. Well, let me give this a 1 star. I'm 1 second faster than the 50 minutes. Yeah. Well. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Oh, apologies. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on with the last puzzle in this puzzle page. No, in the additional. So, see you then. Bye-bye for now.